abakhukhumele nabathanda injabulo kunokuthanda uNkulunkulu.
Nali ke uyabona ngesizulu alibeki kahle kodwa ngesingisi lisho ngamandla lifele isibale zonke lezi zinto ezizwenza ngenze zogcina bese liyaveza ukuthi lezi zinto zanzeka against ini. Uthi basithanda bona bathanda imali bathandana usethi ke kunokuthanda uNkulunkulu. Shuthi imvelo yabo kumele ngabathanda uNkulunkulu kodwa umoya wensuku zogcina utarget uthando ukuthi lusuke kubo bese luba sentweni. Oh yeah okaza ukuthi ibandla into kumele liyazi ukuthi the spirit of the last days size ukuzothatha uthando lukaNkulunkulu in your heart. Shuthi there is something to defend in these last days, the love of God, because abantu abaseze enkonzweni to have fellowship and worship him beza kuye ngoba bafuna bavulela iminyango. But a generation is rising in South Africa ezothi we understand the method and the art of the last days ukuthi inhloso ukuthatha uthando, but I need to keep the love of God. Abantu abazongena 40 days fasting bengayini ukoqaqa ibopho bethi I'm led noma ngenzi ukuthanda uNkulunkulu. Unenhlanhla nosana abazalwa abathanda uNkulunkulu.
Haleluya.
Abanye ngabona abagcwele ngoba nakho befuna uNkulunkulu. Bagcwele ngoba befuna uNkulunkulu ukuthi abalekelele kulokhu bona abakuthandayo. Moya wethu kuzogcina phezu kwethu.